Hello students. In the last class we discussed about the concept of opportunity cost, real cost and monetary cost. Other than that we studied about the short run cost as well as long run cost. In long run all the costs are variable costs that we have already discussed. Okay, जैसे for example teacher, the cost of the teacher teaching in a school is a fixed cost, but in long term it would be variable cost because the salary of the teacher would increase. Now we'll move further. We'll understand the classification of fixed cost and variable cost with the help of schedule and diagram. We'll also understand the relationship between fixed cost, variable cost and total cost. So with this note, let us start with our topic today. So in the last class we completed about the concept of fixed cost as well as variable cost. Fixed cost क्या है, variable cost क्या है. These two costs are found in short run. In long run all the costs are variable cost. सारी cost क्या होती है, variable cost, that we have discussed in the last class. Now today we will start with concept of fixed cost and the diagram of fixed cost. Okay, so in fixed cost what is given, for example, the cost of petrol. Cancel. Cost of, you can say machine. I would say machine. If there is a newspaper company and if a machine makes one paper or 1 lakh paper, it depends on the subscription of the newspaper. So in the machine, even if it is there is one paper, then also you will have the same, you can say, cost of purchasing the machine. If the machine costs 10 lakh rupees, for example, अगर machine 10 lakh rupees की है तो आपको एक पेपर 10 lakh rupees में पड़ेगा, because machine costs you 10 lakh rupees, so your fixed cost for making one newspaper will be 10 lakh rupees. So the fixed cost is the cost which neither increases with the increase in production or nor decreases with the decrease in production, remain constant with the constant production, that is known as your fixed cost. Next is your variable cost. वेरिएबल कॉस्ट क्या होती है, सॉरी नॉट, पहले हम वेरिएबल कॉस्ट से पहले इसका एग्जांपल देख रहे हैं ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द टेबल. सो इन टेबल इट इज गिवन टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटपुट इज 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 and the total fixed cost is fixed to 100. Every time you can say your fixed cost would be 100. Even if you make 0 units, the fixed cost would be your 100. If you make 10, suppose आप rent जो पे करते हो, rent paid. So even if you stay 1 person, 2 person or no person, अभी जैसे कोविड है तो बहुत सारे लोग अपने गांव चले गए, but still the rent is constant. You have to pay the same amount of rent. If you have not if you have not vacated the place, you have to pay the tax. Yes or no? So fixed cost is that. So if you make it in the diagram, you can see here the cost is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and the cost is when the, you can say if I am telling you that when the cost was 0 at that time, your fixed cost was 100. When it was 10, output was 10, it was 100. Likewise, so we'll have straight line which is parallel to your x-axis. You will get this straight line which is parallel to your x-axis as your fixed cost curve. This is your fixed cost curve. कौन सा cost curve है, कैसा curve है, parallel line parallel to x-axis. Okay, this is all about your variable cost as well as fixed cost. Let us move further to the variable cost. Variable cost कौन सी होती है, as I told you, cancel. Variable cost कौन सी होती है, the cost which increase with the increase in production, जो cost production increase होने पे increase होती है, and the cost with decrease with the decrease in production is known as your, sorry beta, the cost which increase with the increase in production and decrease with the decrease in production is known as your variable cost. If I give you example of variable cost, like for example, if there are 10 members in the family or 10 members are there, so you may need 1 kg of wheat flour 10 लोगों के लिए 1 किलो व्हीट फ्लोर चाहिए. अगर 11 होगा तो इट विल बी 1 kg 200 ग्राम. एंड इफ इट इज 12 पीपल so 1 kg 400 ग्राम. If it is 13 people 1 kg 500 ग्राम. Likewise, as the number of people increases, the need for wheat flour will increase. जितने ज़्यादा लोग उतने ज़्यादा हमको wheat flour की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. जितने कम लोग उतना कम हमको wheat flour की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. So the cost which increase, suppose if you are making newspaper, मैंने आपको newspaper की बात कही थी. तो newspaper के उसमें machine was fixed cost. Machine was a fixed cost, but paper used. If you make one newspaper, अगर आप एक न्यूज़पेपर बना रहे हो तो यू विल नीड पेपर फॉर वन न्यूज़पेपर. मे बी you will need 10 sheets of paper. If you make 2 papers newspaper, you need 20 sheets. Likewise, so when the production increases, the variable cost increases. Production decreases, the variable cost decreases. Okay, this is all about your fixed cost as well as variable cost, total variable cost. We can see in your table over here down there what is given. Here it is given, the total output is given like 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and total variable cost is 0, 80, 150, 210, 290 and 390. Okay, so what you can see over here is when your output was 0, variable cost was 0. When output increased to 10, cost increased. 20, it increased, and on and on. So as the cost increases, as the cost increased, as the output increased, I would say, as the output increased, with output we had an increase in the cost. If you see the diagram of variable cost over here, you can see when cost was 0, at that time your variable cost was also 0. When production was 10, at that time your variable cost was 80. When production was 20, at that time your variable cost was 150. When you can say cost increased, production increased to 30 units, the cost increased to 210. At 40 it was 290, and at 50 it was 390. Okay, so as the production increases, the cost increases. So we have a positive curve like that of supply curve. Okay. Now what is total cost? Total cost is something you would say combination of fixed cost and variable cost. When we make a product, we don't make only with the help of fixed cost or only with the help of variable cost. We need both. Like for example, when you cook, you need utensils. Utensils मतलब चम्मच है या फिर बर्तन जो भी है, तो the use of utensils is your fixed cost. But with that you need raw material like flour. Utensils हम जब खाना बनाने में use करते हैं, that is fixed cost. But the flour or vegetables, flour or vegetables, not flour, flour or vegetables which you use to make food is your variable cost. So total cost is a combination of fixed cost as well as variable cost. As you can see in this table over here, it is given that the production was 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Total fixed cost was 100, as we have seen in the table, and variable cost is your 0, 80, 150, 210, 290 and 390, and total cost will be 10 plus 0, that is 100. 100, sorry, not 10, it was 100. 100 plus 0 will be 100. 100 plus 80, 180. 100 plus 150, 250. 100 plus 210, 310. 100 plus 290 is 390, and 100 plus 390 is your 490. So total cost is your combination of fixed cost as well as variable cost. Clear with this? Let us move further. Let us understand the relationship between the total variable cost and fixed cost. It is given over here. And okay, sorry, I missed one point here. Diagram. You can see this is your one diagram on which all the points are explained on your page number 50. आपके पेज नंबर 50 पे ये दिया हुआ है. What is given that your just a second. This is your x-axis, y-axis. This is your fixed cost curve parallel to x-axis. This is your variable cost curve, and this is your total cost curve. Now your total cost curve will always be higher than your variable cost because it includes, total cost includes fixed cost plus variable cost. So it is going to be tend to be at a higher rate because it is having including fixed cost as well as variable cost both. उसमें दोनों ही element है. तो ये total variable cost और total fixed cost को जब हम plus करते हैं तब total cost बनती है. Take any value, not an issue. अब fixed cost में सिर्फ ये याद रखिए कि fixed cost के time पे your value should be fixed. Variable cost may it should be increasing, and when you make total of the both you will get the total cost curve. Clear? So this is the one curve in which all the three fixed costs, variable costs and total costs are explained. This is a 3-in-1 you can say graph of your fixed cost, variable cost and total cost. Okay, let us see what is the relationship between fixed cost and variable cost. When total fixed variable cost is 0, production is 0. जब production 0 होगा at that time, your total you can see here, when the production was 0 at that time, the variable cost was 0. Next point is when production is 0, total fixed cost and variable cost is, you can say your fixed cost is equal to your total cost, because you can we can see over here, as you can see in first point, your total fixed cost is 100 and variable cost is 0, so total cost is 100. So here you can say fixed cost is equal to your total cost. ठीक है? Then other than that, they have explained you that you can say total fixed cost and total variable cost curve. Total fixed cost curve is straight line, total variable cost is having increasing order, and total cost curve is having the highest order in over here. Okay, this is all about your fixed cost, variable cost and total cost. We will stop over here, otherwise it will be confusing for you people. आप लोग confuse हो जाएंगे with total cost and average fixed cost. ठीक है, तो average fixed cost वाला जो point है, this point we will do in the next class. We'll stop over here. So for today your homework will be make diagram, sorry, explain, not make, explain fixed cost and variable cost with the help of schedule and diagram. ठीक है, first question this, and explain fixed cost, explain relationship between fixed cost, variable cost and total cost with the help of diagram. उसमें आपको जो मैंने एक लास्ट जो ये वाला डायग्राम है ना, this one, this diagram you have to make in the second question, and you have to make use of this schedule as well as this diagram and explain that. This is your question for today. So with this we complete your lecture. Stay home, stay safe and prepare for your test. Okay, goodbye for now, students.